we just finished at the doctor. We were there for about 45 minutes or so. Yeah, it was nice catching up. I haven't seen her like in forever, but we are just, my mom popped into Spa quickly, and then we are gonna go and get, we're gonna go to the mall to get the prescriptions and pick up my parcel. I think it's 3 o'clock. My sister's supposed to be coming this way. Let's call her. Look at the baby. Oh my gosh, they cut his hair. He's so cute. Stop. So adorable. Oh my gosh, I love him. Okay. Kelsey, Dana.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Everyone, so we just arrived at Westpac. We finished at the mall. I'll show you everything that I got, but I'm gonna run in quickly because they close in about 40 minutes. I'm gonna go in and then, yeah. And it sounds like it's gonna rain. So let's go in. Trees. Hi everyone. So we just got back from the mall and everywhere else. I got some Chinese. I'm super excited to have that. But I wanted to show you like a quick little haul of everything that we got. So we went to Westpac. Got this pack of hangers. They're a pink color. They're coming off more orange on camera, but they're like a sweet pink. And then in here, this is from Discam. My sister's mother-in-law told us about this. It's a natural product that should help against corona. And then my mom picked up this Dreamy palette. And then she also picked up one of these Raid refills. So we got these two rubbing oils. This one is Arnica Rub, and then this one is just a muscle rub. It's supposed to help soothe muscle aches and joint stiffness. There we go. They were like 37 bucks. Okay, and then 3 cosmetic things that I got from Clicks. I got this eyeliner pen from Essence. This is the extra long lasting one. It was about 58 bucks. Same with this one. This is the 24-hour Ever Ink Liner, Intense Black. And then I picked up a mascara, which I've been meaning to do for a while now. So I'm glad I did that. Hi, my baby. Trees, my love. Okay. You want to sleep? Okay. Let's go sleep. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, I just put whatever, but... Okay, let me help you. Okay, sleep. Sleep. You can't sleep there. Huh? Let me help you. Here's your milk. You're gonna fall here. That's not gonna work, baby. It's not gonna work like that. Hold this, Linda, please. Let me help you. Here you go. Okay. Well, okay. See? That's better. Okay, and then I went to Mr. Price home to go pick up a package because I had ordered some stuff. So this is what I ordered from Mr. Price. It's these ice molds. These are the round ones. So I'm thinking like one of these in a wine glass, and then while they're freezing, I'm thinking maybe like a raspberry, a blueberry, maybe some rosemary if you're into like gin and stuff. So this is pretty cool. And then I got the same one just with like giant squares. It's the same concept. It's an ice tray, but it's got giant squares. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then I picked up this Magnifique card. I love like the print and everything. I'm thinking about framing it, but I don't know yet. And then from Discam, I picked up another big another big bottle of rubbing alcohol. And then I picked up 2 of these masks just to try them out, because these are the ones that go around your neck. I don't know. We'll see if they're more comfortable.
I can still remember the first time that we kissed, feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like this, but at some point we messed up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to that place? 'Cause I never wanted you to leave. Looking back on our past, I don't wanna be just another memory. I don't wanna forget, no. And I don't wanna do what's wrong. Yeah, I don't want no other. 'Cause it's with you that I belong. But at some point we messed up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to
Please.
Jeez. Say hi, everyone.
I want.
Hi.
I want.
I'm super excited about these 2 liners. I'm so excited for like a pen liner, like a quick, you know. I prefer gel, but it's a lot of admin. This is so quick and easy. Hi everyone. So I just wanted to show you the sponge that I got from Discount the other day. It is so soft. Oh my god, it's so soft. It almost feels as soft as a beauty blender. Probably the exact same as a beauty blender. I got it at Discount. It was like 29 bucks, I think, or 27. I'm doing my makeup now, so you come watch if you want. Okay, so this is the finished look. I told you to trust the process. It looks so good. This is the eye makeup. I am obsessed with how it turned out. I generally like playing with my eye makeup, so recently I've just been doing like really basic stuff, but I really wanted to play. I genuinely like how it turned out. Because I did so much with the eyes, it took me a lot longer than normal. Normally I can get it done in like 30 minutes, but this took a lot longer. I love it. This probably took me about an hour to do. So yeah, this is the final look. I'm going nowhere. I'm actually going to go cook. I'm gonna make a wrap. Maybe I'll show you, because I don't think I've shown you how I make my wraps, but I'm gonna go make a wrap.
present. But our mind is in the past, not knowing what we'll lose. Don't know what will last. Yeah, the things you always dare to dream, oh, are not always what they seem. Close to total peace as the pain begins to ease. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it wastes a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. Start living for the moment, letting go of the past. Yeah, start cherishing what you hold dear, and we will make it last. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it wastes time, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine, fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine, fine. Baby, you'll be fine.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me